Hey editors, let's learn how to make this trending Salesman Funk edit in very simple steps. First import the song and beat to it like this. And add this motion background. Now go to Overlay and import Gojo's PNG. Fit the PNG to match the beats. Now add a keyframe at first and last beat. At first beat, go to Transform and rotate the image to 20 degrees. And move the image out of the frame. Now select linear graph and do as I'm doing. Now import the other image. Keep some part more than the beat. Now transform the image. Zoom out it to 50%. And set the position to top left corner of the frame. Now, import the second image and do the same. But this time set the position to top right corner. Do this with all 4 images. Now select the first image, then go to Layers and move it to the top. Now select this image and add keyframe like this. At first keyframe, move the image out of the frame. Do this with each image. Now go to Graph and select Ease Out. Now select the first image and duplicate it, and move like this. Then select the duplicate image, go to Adjust. Select Graphs, add 2 points like this. Now move the duplicate layer below the main image. Then transform the duplicate image by zooming out.